Where do the most valuable books and tomes reside? Where are experiments and discoveries made? The forts of secrets! The mysterious abode. Oh, wizard's tower. Finally my arts finished the job. So you don't need it anymore to spend all your gold to buy fancy things. It's for towers, whatever. Just send your slavery works. Your hard works to do the job. Yes, with only the material they have in hand.
I started with a scratch. I wanted an imposing tower that could be seen from the horizon and serve as playable setting inside as well. It has several rooms, including the dungeon, the entrance floor, the second and the third floors, the dormitory, the tower itself, and finally the hiding attic. My orcs don't have special tools like styrofoam cutters and like. They just got a styrofoam, knife, scissors, compass, and glue. They started cutting the styrofoam sheet back and forth with a width of 2 centimeters to form a belt. Each belt was divided every 3 centimeters, but without cutting the styrofoam all the way through. This procedure helped round each belt and shape the tower. The tower was built up, leaving a space for the door. The staircase was made with paper. By gluing the belts one on the top of the other, you achieve this result. A rounded tower calls for a rounded balcony. Note that for fitting the top onto the tower body, 4 columns made from the inner dividers of egg cartons were used. Then improvements were made using the edge of the egg cartons, and the result is much more realistic and original. In my draft, the top followed the rounded shape of the tower. However, I decided to innovate. I wanted the balcony on the outside, but for the dormitory's walls, I wanted something unique. An hexagonal structure with 2 windows and a door. And to warm it up on the cold days, a fireplace with its respective chimney. It didn't turn out the way I wanted, but the result was satisfactory. The fireplace lights up the dormitory. But the power of magic illuminates the other floors through the cracks in the tower's bricks. Unimaginable powers flowing through the entire tower in a hypnotic dance. How many secrets are hiding behind the rich brick? How many creatures are lurking in the corridors of this tower? The tower is already a place of adventure.
It can also serve as a night light for a child's room.
Adventurers come here to find a wizard, or save someone, or find an ancient book, or a special scroll. See how the lights invite heroes to that. Now the roof. I need a base to support the structure. The balcony helps with the round base, but since the roof is hexagonal, I need a hexagonal base as well, so everything matches. Roof like the dormitory and balcony like the tower. Finally, I need all 6 sides to have a base too. The carpenters made the structure very well formed. Don't you think? tower on the roof was made from the toilet paper rolls with small pieces of cardboard cut into small brick shapes. It was still helping the boys with a solution about the roof, how to open it and leave the dormitory free. The solution was to divide it into two parts, with one half fixed and the other half removable. Now, finishing the roof, the shingles. Nothing more convenient than the inside part of the cardboard. I took each roof individually to finish the job. Here you can see the tower better. Was it a hunt? To give it a more architectural visualization and a more detailed finish, I filled all the joints with more egg carton parts, as you can see here. And access to the roof tower is made by a spiral staircase. My workers had a tough time making the step by step of this tiny staircase. Now the final result. Climb the stairs of this tower, we have the entrance door, and above it, a small detail. The dormitory has a staircase to the upper part and a spiral staircase to the little tower. It didn't turn out the way I expected, but it exceeded my expectations, if you know what I mean.
Now, a special moment. You, yes, you, who still hasn't clicked the thumbs up or left a comment, I'd suggest you do that now, or the walls of your house might start crumbling while you sleep. Very good. And you? You don't want to? What was that? Did you hear something? I think I heard a little crack. Something is cracking around. Pretty sure it was a wall.